have seen I hope you all have seen the presentation in PBL topics. What are they? If you remember, in
Which miss? Which one?
science PBL, there are three topics which your teacher has asked to make one of them. Do you remember which are they? There is microorganisms. There is about simple machine, and the third one I don't remember which one is the third one. अभी मैं open नहीं कर सकती. Okay. So what I did is I chose among them microorganisms. Obviously, microorganisms are a very easy topic that already we have studied in our science lesson also microorganisms. So it will be little easy for you to understand. These are the driving questions. I will just simply go through them and then directly I will come on the presentation. Okay. The first question is COVID-19 is caused by a microorganisms. Find out which organism, how it spreads, and how we take the precautions. Okay, these most of the answers are reliable answers which I have not made from my own side. I have taken the help of Google obviously and few addition I did from myself. So COVID-19 coronavirus disease 2019 is an illness caused by a virus. This virus is a new coronavirus that has spread throughout the world. It is thought to spread mainly through close contact from person to person. On this page, you will find links. Acha. Okay, this is because I have copied it, so I will edit this one. Okay.
Miss, we write this.
I will send you. Don't write now. Okay. Don't write now. Okay. Delete this one. So this is the answer. Close contact person to person. Now what they say and how can we take precautions? Now let me add. We can precautions by using face mask, social distancing, and avoid close contacts. Okay, this is the best answer. Itna lamba, no need to write very lengthy. Okay, so the next thing is next question is COVID-19 is caused by a microorganism. Find out which organism and how it spreads and how can we take precautions. It is the same as up one. Okay, it's same as up one. No need to take tension. You can add the same answer. The coronavirus disease COVID-19 caused by a virus, not a bacteria. The virus that caused 19 is a family of viruses called coronaviride. Coronaviride is the name of that virus. It spreads through air around us, sneezing, coughing, touching, and the affected surface and being very close to the affected persons. Okay, this is how it spreads. And how to prevent it? Obviously, clean your hands often, use soap and water or an alcohol based hand rub. Maintain a safe distance from anyone who is coughing or sneezing. Wear a mask when physical distancing is not possible. Don't touch your eyes, nose, or mouth. Cover your nose and mouth with your bent elbow or a tissue. Okay, like this. Okay, like this. They mean like this. Okay, when you cough or sneeze, stay home. If you feel unwell, if you have a fever, cough, and difficulty breathing, seek medical attention. In all these 8 to 9 months, we are learning only this. I choose this topic so it will become easy. If you want to choose another topic that you have to search for, okay? And if you want my help, I can also send you some researches. What is formation? The chemical breakdown of a substance by bacteria, yeast, or other organisms, typically involving effervescence and the giving of heat. Okay, formation is a kind of what should I say you? How can I give you the example? Same when you keep a bread. Okay, when you keep a bread, it starts molding. Okay, this is the kind of formation. When you keep a potato, onion, something tight in a jar or in a shopping bag and it gets moist slowly, slowly, it breaks down because of the heat. Some chemical reaction happens because of heat and some because of cold. Okay, that process is called fermentation, and it happens because of small microorganisms which we cannot see. What do you mean by microorganisms? Obviously, you have learned this. A microscopic organism is especially a bacterium. What is bacterium? It's same like a bacteria. Okay, it's smaller than bacteria, viruses or fungus. The small living things which can't be easily seen with naked eyes and need labs microscope to see them. They they make or break the other organisms by chemical reaction. Same, dead bodies are decay, breads are molded, uh, bread we make a cake, we use yeast in it, and a fungus kind of thing which grows on the wood, on the trees, in the damp area. All such changes in a normal thing, from normal to its disaster, we have chemical reaction, and that chemical reaction is just because of microorganisms. Okay, got it? Question number 5. Sarah watched her grandmother making mango pickle. After she bottled the pickle, her grandmother poured oil on the top of the pickle before closing the lid. Sarah, Sarah wanted to know why oil was poured. Can you help her understand why? Anybody have the answer? Any of you? Have you ever seen your parent, your mothers, your grandmothers making any pickle? Oil pickle or what you say, vinegar pickle. Have you ever seen? Have you ever tasted the pickles which is in shawarma? The
Oil
customer.
prevents
Yes,
oil prevents bacteria not to go un- in the pickle.
not to go in the whatever we have made. What not to go in. Yes, that's true. Oil keeps the surface of any preserved thing. Oil keeps the surface of mm, preserved pickle or whatever jams usually uh, to and it doesn't allow the bacteria to enter the body of that the food or any even the milk. In milk you see it's not oil in the milk, but there is a process. Because of that process and because of the packaging of the milk back, the bacteria doesn't come in. So that is not pickling, that is called preservation. And in this also, this is also a form of preservation, but it is in vinegar. If you use vinegar also, this is sirka कहते हैं उर्दू में सिरका. It's the taste is sour and it is used in usually shawarma or chicken tikka. You will get cauliflower, you will get carrot, cucumber pieces along with them to eat. They never spoil actually. Most of usually they don't spoil. If you will leave them unattended, maybe they will spoil also. But the age of those preserved pickles are just because of vinegar or oil. Okay, this is known as preservation by oil. Bacteria cannot build in such environment as oil acts as a barrier between the pickle and the atmosphere outside, allowing to no environmental air or particles penetrate through it. Same as I mentioned, the oil is a kind of safeguard for that food. Okay, so these were five driving questions, which already I will send you in the class, in the Zoom class, and grade 5 another group. I will send it to you later. Now we are going to start our project. Okay, PBL. I have chosen a template. I hope you all have understood the driving questions. The concept is clear.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Now, are you seeing the screen of the presentation? It's a PowerPoint presentation.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Kids, I have chosen a template which shows something about science and laboratory. Can anybody read for me what is the PBL about? What is the teacher asking about the PBL 1 minute? Let me check. I have to, where it is. I have to go in the PBL and I need to check what is the question actually. Can anybody open? I'm not able to see it. It is not coming in my Google Classroom. What was the question of the PBL? Give me a second, please. I will check it. I forgot to check. Hold on, kids, okay? We will start the, okay. Now you can see that I have shown a presentation in which we will talk about microorganisms, okay? Now what I will do is first presentation cover title. So what is our title of this presentation? That is microorganisms, microorganisms, friends and foe. Friends and foe means अच्छे और बुरे, good and bad. Okay, so we know that there are microorganisms which are good, bacteria and viruses. Some are good and some are bad. So the topic is that we have to mention in these presentation about good microorganisms and bad organisms. So I'm this is, don't worry that we can edit it later. I'm just explaining you what will be the title. Okay, and here you will write science PBL. Okay.
I think science spelling is wrong. I think.
But I know this unit. I know. I will do it. Grade uh, 5. You are a good observer, beta. Grade 5. Teacher की mistakes निकालते हैं हाँ. Okay. Okay. That is Rohan Tahir. Okay. Grade 5 B2 Rohan Tahir. This is because I'm just explaining it. So this is what type title will be of the. Okay. Okay. Okay, got it. Now here what we will do, we will just cut this picture, and from insert we will go and get an online pictures about microorganisms. I hope so far you all are able to do like this. Okay, you are able to use my the presentation microorganisms. Okay, let us see what kind of pictures do they give us. Yes, great. This is the best picture for microorganisms, and we will, oh, it doesn't allow. No problem. I will take another one. Why it's not coming? The screen has held. Wait a minute. What happened? I don't know what has happened. Okay, we were over here. Insert button, and we are going to insert a online picture about microorganisms. Okay, we will put this one or this one. This one is better. Okay, insert. I hope now it allows. Yes, got it. So this is your title. You can change the position of your title like this somewhere wherever you feel that it looks good. Like this. Okay, now we will go for the next slide. Now what you will do over here, you will see how microorganisms look like. Okay. You have to make it from your side. So I'm how micro, no, we will first write the definition of microorganism. It's same like your driving question. Okay, what is microorganism, question mark. Here you will write the definition of microorganisms, that they are small living things which cannot be seen from the naked eye. Got it? I will edit it for you so you are able to see it. This is the question. I am going back to the question. What is microorganism? And this is the answer. I will copy from here, copy, and here I will come and paste it. Okay, got it? सही है? Now you want to take it
Yes.
up. You want to take it up, position it, reposition it. So it looks a little bit good. You want to change its fonts. You can change. You can use a kind of design, anything. कुछ भी यहाँ से करना है. You can see word art. You can use this word art. वो तो फिर new अगर हो तो तभी use करना है. Otherwise no need. Okay. I'll go back. So this is how you will add one more slide. Okay, now here, what is microorganisms? If you want to change this picture, change it. If you don't want to change, no need to change. Write anything which suits your definition. Okay, so let us go for about me. About me, so about microorganism. You can write about micro organisms. Now you will say, what will you write about microorganisms? Already you have defined them. So go to the Google, okay, go to Google and write the same thing. Few important points about microorganisms, and then you copy from there and you paste over here. Or if you want to see, if you want to edit this title, you can say how we can see microorganisms. Okay, because you can see a beautiful microscope on the screen. Better we change the topic. Okay, how we can see microorganisms. Okay, I
Miss,
think yes.
yes, which slide did you choose? The name
Beta,
of the
if you
slide?
will write on your presentation, I mean in the template, you will write science lab something. One presentation will come in. There will be several. One of them I have chosen for you. Okay, because it looks like a science. Write science. If you don't get a good one, write science lab. Otherwise, like don't write virus, because if we write virus, it goes for the Microsoft की कोई वो दिखा देते हैं presentation. So you have to choose your topic over in the search bar. Okay, it will be easy, don't worry. अब ये इसको छोटा कैसे करें? 1 minute, let me go back. I need to delete all this first, because this is not what we have to write. Let me delete it. You know how to delete ना? आपको ये सब delete करना आता है ना? Cut करते हैं. Cut. Okay.
Miss आता है.
Good job. Microorganism. Okay. How we will make it? हम इसे थोड़ा छोटा कर देते हैं. The font is very big. 50. Make it like something 40. Okay. Then it will come on your title. To highlight it, you will highlight it by like this color, whatever the color you want. Okay. So how can we see microorganisms? Obviously here you will be able to right now, because I have deleted the options which were built in. How will I be able to write the text here? I will go and insert text box. Okay, I will choose text box and I will give the option of text box, and now I will start typing in it. Okay, so how can we see microorganisms? Go on Google, search from there. Go on the Google
Yes,
search
one
from there.
minute, Miss.
Sorry, any question?
Just give me 1 minute.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. When we go on the Google, what we have to search about, how do we see microorganisms, and then we will write over here. Like for example, till she comes back to we can't. Okay, this is capital. We can't see the microorganisms with the naked eyes. We need a very powerful microscope from the lab to see them. How they look? They look like funny creatures, threads, or ladder. Okay, even if you want to show the pictures, you can add the pictures. This is how you will write about how we can see the microorganisms. So next slide, about me alternate. Now because this is already they have made this it's already made in the PowerPoint. We don't need this slide. If you don't need this slide, you can delete it. How you will delete it? Go over here, cut. Okay, go on your left hand, cut it, the slide will go if you don't want this slide. But if you have any imagination and you want to add something about it, so we will do it. So what was our second topic in this microorganisms? Foe and friends. Okay, I will edit this one. Microorganisms, friends and foe. It means the one which are good and one which are bad. Okay. Teacher, I didn't copy two slides. You didn't copy two slides. Which slide you want to copy, beta? This one? I will send this all to you, okay? After I finish the class, I will send it to you. Microorganisms, friends and foe. Now what you have to write in this? Obviously, we have to write in this slide about good organisms and then bad organisms, because now I won't be able to go back and search for you. It will take lots of time. So I can, one minute. I can do one thing is, first let me delete this one. So I will be able to, okay. Uh, Friendly, FRIEND, friendly microorganisms or bacteria. Okay, friendly microorganisms and bacteria. How we will write here? We will cut this one. Okay, and then we will go in insert online picture, friendly bacteria. I hope we have any information about friendly bacteria. Okay, I think this is a good picture. Okay, they are showing a smile face. Okay, friendly bacteria. So we will write about the bacteria which are the organisms, obviously bacteria which are helpful. So what are they? You will go on the Google and you will search about them. Let me try for you if I can. Okay, one minute. I'm not able to go to the screen. It doesn't allow me. Okay, it doesn't allow me, kids. So friendly bacteria are those bacteria which help to make yogurt, which help to make yeast, and then they convert our dough into bread and the pickles and all these kind of bacteria or microorganisms which help you to produce a healthy thing are friends. Okay. Then for the next slide, you will edit all these. We don't need all of them. We will edit it, or you want to delete this slide, you can even delete also the, okay, the other one. This one also we don't need the charts. Okay, if in charts also I want to add, I will add how microorganisms work. How microorganisms work. Okay, what I will do is I will cut this all, delete, delete. Okay, this also, whatever it is, let me delete it because this is not according to our need, and I have deleted. How microorganisms work? Let me go insert button. Let me check in the insert, or even if you want to add video, you can add video. Where is the video option? Online pictures. There is no video option. Our time is also running out. Okay. How microorganisms work. Okay. See, these are kind of pictures. Any good picture which you think suits you, suits your presentation, you can add them. So let me see which one works for me. I will choose one of them. So far I didn't like any of them, but we have to choose any one. Okay, I will choose this one. This is another language. It doesn't help. It takes time, but it takes time. Okay, it's not that easy. I think this is okay, better one. Okay, ठीक है. This is okay. Just show a picture in which some microorganisms are there and how they are working, and I think this is enough for you. That you will write few lines that microorganisms work under heat. Okay, I will write for you. Microorganisms, they work under heat, moist places, damp places. Moist and damp are usually same. And if and on dead bodies, okay, or left over organisms which are lifeless. Okay, how microorganisms work? They work on in heat, moist places, damp places, and dead bodies or leftover organisms which are lifeless. जो मर चुके होते हैं, that also lifeless. And even your, for example, examples like dead rat or dead leaves, okay, or fungus near the sea. So this is how microorganisms work. I hope this much is enough for your presentation. The slides are 12, no need, 4 to 5 slides are enough. So far your topic is served. This is how you will work in your in the presentation. Okay, there was one more left. Okay, that was friends and foe. I did not add the one which foe, जो दुश्मन है, which are not good bacteria, not a friendly bacteria, because this is your question. No, not a friendly bacteria. We will first of all delete them. We don't need them. Let us go and insert if we have any information about bad bacteria. Okay, bad microorganisms. Today's topic is little boring now. Everyone is quiet.
Yes.
But this is what you have to do. Okay, bad bacteria. A very good picture. I got it for them. Oh, we cannot see it. See, it's like this, okay? Bad bacteria are funny, bad kind of faces. If you don't want this picture, you can add another one.
Miss, if the time of the
Yes.
if the time of the Zoom finish, we joined again or no?
No, beta. We almost finished. See, this is how not a friendly bacteria. When you will Google it, you will get the names of those bacteria which are making the food spoil, which are spoiling the food, which spoil your environment. You have to just search their name and you have to add few of the names over here, okay, and one, two pictures. So this is how your slides will look like about microorganisms, and this is thank you. And you can write, I hope you like my presentation over here. You will write submitted by your name, your name. This is Rohan's name and this is for his grade 5. Grade 5. It's not coming. Grade 5. Thank you. If you want to add something over here, I hope you liked my presentation. Okay, so this was the slides which are in middle, just see, cut them. No need these or slides because this is lengthy one, okay? All the slides you can cut over in between, and the slides which I have just showed you, help you and taught you, you can use them. See the first one, the topic, microorganisms, friends and foe. The second slide, what is microorganism? How we can see organisms, use the data. Microscope picture is perfectly good. Microorganisms, friends and foe. Use the picture which shows that microorganisms, bacteria, virus, which are good. Copy from Google and add some stuff over here. And then how microorganisms work. Choose a good picture which shows how it works, how it changes the shape of the food or anything which is left over, and give few examples. And the last one will be not a friendly bacteria or microorganisms which are bad, which are not friendly for environment. And then in the end, you will just mention that thank you. I hope you like the presentation. So how was it? Did all of you understood?
Yes,
Got it?
Miss.
So from my side, the fourth
Yes, Miss.
presentation, from my side, the fourth PBL has been done. Now we are left Urdu. I'm not going to do Urdu presentation at all because we cannot type in Urdu, okay? I hope you all have done already. And ICT and maths is left, no? Now only ICT and maths is left. Inshallah. Sorry?
I've done maths PBL.
Maths PBL, you have done it?
Yes.
Okay, maybe Miss Shumaila will help us in maths because she
Oh,
is very
Miss.
good in. She will help inshallah. And for ICT and maybe the last PBL, I will help you for ICT PBL.
Miss, you have told us the ICT or no?
I think I haven't.
Yes, you have told us ICT PBL.
I already. Then from my
Yes.
side, this was last one. See, I finished English. I finished SST. I have done
No,
ICT.
you did not. Oh, yes. Yes, you have done.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, yes, ICT. Yeah. I remember ICT. So all of them
Yes,
have
Miss,
been
you have
done.
shown ICT which one dentist.
I will check today because see, I also forget. No, I am also human being. I forget things. Mashallah, all the PBLs have been, driving questions have been done. The presentations, explanations have been done. I hope you all will do very best out of it. Try
Miss,
not.
I'll send you today in the group my English
Sure,
PBL.
sure, you can share your ideas with us. And I always request everyone to not copy the same things which I share with you because there are few mistakes when I will send you, there will be few mistakes. And then later, before submitting my son's work, he sits and I edit with him. So don't copy same. Try to change slides. Try to change the data which I have explained. That's why with each of the slide I am explaining you what you can do, what I have done. Okay. That's why sharing the screen in a way and teaching you how to insert, go back to the Google. You don't need to close again and again your screen. You can minimize it, go back to the Google Chrome, and you can Google your questions over there, and then you will get the answers. Right click, copy from there, and paste. Come back to the screen and paste on there.